Good morning guys, I'm Chris Hudson from Hudson Lighting, and it feels like it's been forever and a day since I've done a video where it's just me and you. So, I'll tell you the problem I'm having. We do these little lenses inside all of the lights, and this lens is awful. So what I'm doing, I'm getting on Fusion 360 and I'm going to see what I can do to make this better. Okay, so here we are, we're actually in Fusion 360. You can see the lens, we've already designed it all. So on this we've got this groove here where the O-ring actually sits. This little area here is actually to help center up the reflector, and we've just tried to soften all the edges with fillets, etc. So we've got a face cycle coming in. Now this is kind of a face rough. I've left a little bit of stop sleeve, and then I'm coming in doing a face finish with this one. In fact, let's just make sure we've got some decent feeds on that one, and this one looks more like a finish. You can see it's only 50 meters a minute and 0.05 millimeters per rev. We do an OD term, so we come round this edge and clean up round here, come round all here. You can see how the stock is sort of changing shape as we go through each of these. We've got a single groove coming in and coming to make that groove for the O-ring, and there we do a sub-spindle grab. So this is our new Nakamura, for those that haven't seen it. We've got main spindle, sub spindle, both Kitagawa collet chucks. We've got a 20mm on the face here and a 16mm on the face here. And the reason it's 16mm is because we're going to grab that little edge and pass it over. Okay, so here we have the code ready to post out. So I've made all the necessary changes, etc. So let's basically get this on there. There's a nice little clever macro on there too. So there we have it. We've got the tiniest little bit in the middle which we can clean up with hand sanding, but this is otherwise absolutely perfect. Look at that. All the edges are completely clean and rounded and so on and so forth. It's absolutely fantastic. So just to give you an idea of how this actually fits together, this is the reflector. Now it's not been finished, it's literally just off the machine, so it needs to be reamed and sanded on the back here. And that ring on the back there centers up perfectly to that. So look, if I take it sideways, you see how that doesn't come off? Because they fit together absolutely perfectly, and that is what we're going for.